In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a shadow to your photo. This effect makes your photo really stand out from the background when you're looking at it. So the first thing you want to do is select your photo, which you will do just by clicking on it. In this, you'll know it's selected because a blue box will show up around it. The next step is that you're going to click on Format Options. And then the tab in which you want to choose is Drop Shadow. So you're going to click this side arrow right here. That will drop down this menu box. And then you're going to play around with these dials until it gives you the desired shadow effect that you like. So one thing to make your shadow appear a little easier is if you hit Blur Radius. That will show a shadow happening all around your image. Distance will make it go further out from your image, so you can see the shadow really drop down over here. The angle will of course change the angle in which the shadow appears. So if I put it to the side here, and this highlights this area, and as you can tell, it already looks like the image is popping out from your background. So blur radius affects that. Transparency will make your shadow solid or almost invisible. And then if you would like, you can also change the color of your shadow. So if you want to do something that matches up with the colors you already see in your poster, you can choose one of those. But black is really going to give you the best shadow effect. It's going to be the most realistic that you can find. Okay, so once you're happy with your shadow, you can click out of Format Options. Click over here in this gray area so you're no longer on your photo. And that looks really cool right here. It shows a really nice shadow that stands out from that background. All right, the last step you want to do, of course, is screenshot your entire workspace here so you can turn that in for class today.